Ati bunge ya Senate ni yandikithĩtie President William Ruto kufuta kanjo yake yothe ya mamĩnĩsta, abute munene wa borithi Japheth Koome oroho ateanirie wabici ciothe iri thirikari-inĩ ĩno itari thĩinĩ wa katiba ya bũrũri ũyũ. Makĩaria marĩ bunge-inĩ ĩno mũthenya wa gatatũ, maseneta aya merĩte President ati Kenya nĩ arakaru na mũno nĩ ũndũ wa ungumania ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩyumĩria thĩinĩ wa thirikari yake. Mĩario yao yũkĩte rĩrĩ bũrũri ũgũmĩirwo nĩ mĩrũrũngano ya rika rĩa Gen Z makĩmenereria thirikari ya William Ruto.
It was never the finance bill. It was simply that the finance bill was a trigger. Why? Because public servants, led by ministers, are very, Mr. Speaker, corrupt. And people hate this, and people are angry. Yet I want to call on the President as a demonstration that he has listened and understood what the people are saying. Reduce the size of your cabinet from 21 to 14, the minimum. Merge departments. Reduce the number of principal secretaries from 51 to around 30.
Ordinarily, it should not be the President responding to all these other issues, especially on regular security breaches, Mr. Speaker. I would have expected even the police spokesperson. We used to have somebody called Owino as the police spokesperson. Mr. Speaker, Brian Shusho. Now we have the Inspector General of Police. In fact, the only time Inspector General of Police has responded is when he saw allocations of fatalities in a hit. He sent a statement, Mr. Speaker.
I don't know what the Inspector General thinks. I don't know what is the challenge. We don't know these things that are being discussed. Mr. Speaker, the question at the back of my mind, is this really the right man for this job?